Hello everyone, this is the demo of MediCompareAI, an AI-powered tool which helps user to compare the price of medical procedure. So the problem statement is the current prices are published on hospital websites and open source datasets, but users are not able to view the exact cost of a particular procedure. For example, if someone wants to go for a heart surgery, knee replacement, they can't just search for that particular procedure in a hospital. To solve this problem, we have developed this MediCompareAI tool which gives user insights on different procedure in multiple hospitals. They can just compare the hospital based on price, rating and other details. So let's go through the technical details now. We have built it using a Fivetran custom connector. So there are public open datasets available on Medicare government website. So these dataset contains the price of medical procedures and hospital information. So these are the dataset. So this has the inpatient hospital procedures along with their prices, and second is this which has the hospital information along with ratings, scores, etc. So we have leveraged these two datasets and then used Fivetran custom connector to sync this data in Google Cloud platform. So we used BigQuery tables. So I will just show. So these are the BigQuery tables which we have created in this dataset. So this has the price of medical procedure and this has the general information. So after this, data is synced whenever user comes to the MediCompareAI website. They can just search for the procedure and it invokes the backend API, which first converts and interprets the user's query, then searches for that specific procedure in the BigQuery tables, retrieves results from these BigQuery tables, and then uses Gemini models to generate AI insights on top of it. So let's see this in action now. So users can come on this page and then they can just directly search for a specific procedure. So let's search for heart surgery cost in Alabama. So let's just search this one. So behind the scenes, it's invoking the backend API which fetches the data from BigQuery tables, and then we use Gemini models to interpret the query as well as generate insights on top of it. So this will invoke the entire workflow behind it to fetch the results. So it has generated the results now. So here we can see key insights on this particular search query. So it has provided around that this costs around $70,000 based on the hospital and the procedure. So it has given some details: endovascular, cardiac valve replacement, coronary bypass. So what's the specific range for that particular procedure? So it has given that range and the hospital name. And second, it has also given a table which helps to summarize the results. So it has provided that specific procedure code along with the hospital name and the payment, the total cost of it, and the hospital overall rating. So along with this, it has provided why the cost varies based on these hospital, what's the exact difference, and the questions to ask to the provider before going for this procedure. It has guided the user by providing the prices, giving a table with comparison, and third, the questions to ask with the provider. Along with this, we are also giving functionality to see all the nearby hospitals. So these are all the hospitals nearby and in the state Alabama which are offering this heart surgery and the specific price of this in different hospitals. So users can just see and compare these hospitals and contact them accordingly. So here we are giving the location, the type of the hospital, discharges and the covered charges along with the rating. So in this way, this MediCompareAI tool can help users to get insights over the cost of medical procedures, which helps in bringing health transparency, and it will help them make better decisions. Thank you.